In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Truist Mobile app with a step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, this guide will walk you through the entire process quickly and easily, ensuring you have access to all the mobile banking features Truist has to offer. Let's get started by opening the gateway to almost every app out there, which is either the App Store for iOS devices or the Play Store for Android users. These hubs are the digital marketplaces for finding not just your favorite apps, but also trusted and secure applications like the Truist Mobile app. If you're not sure where to find these icons, typically they are found on your home screen or with your other app icons. It's helpful to know that they usually display a stylized letter or a triangle denoting either Apple or Google. Once you've opened the respective store, you'll notice a search box at the top. This is where you can type in the app you're looking for. In this case, you want to type Truist app into the search bar. As you type, you'll probably see a list of auto suggestions appear below. Keep typing Truist app completely or simply look for it in the drop-down and then tap on it. This action leads you to the apps page in the store where more detailed information about the app is available. Here you'll find user reviews, screenshots, and often a description of the app's functionality. Scroll if necessary to find Truist among the results and tap on the correct item when it appears. It's important to ensure you choose the official Truist app, which generally has a high number of downloads and ratings, and be wary of similarly named apps that haven't been verified. This page will show you an install button prominently. Go ahead and tap it to begin the download and installation process. This step might require a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Your phone will handle the rest, automatically downloading the app and placing it on your device. You might see a progress indicator showing you the process as it unfolds. Once it's done, most devices will give you an option to open the app immediately from the store. Alternatively, you can find the newly installed app icon on your home screen or within your apps library. And there you have it, your Truist mobile app is now installed, bringing all the capabilities of Truist banking right to your fingertips. You're ready to proceed with setting up your account or logging in if you already have one. Remember to ensure that your device is secure and consider setting up two-factor authentication for added protection. Thank you for following along today and happy banking!